Sometimes the difference between an average photo and a perfect one is just the crop. Whether you are making a profile picture, posting to Instagram, or creating a banner, getting the right size makes all the difference. In this video, I will show you how to crop your images online using Adobe Express. Hey everyone, I am Sawad, photographer and a content creator. I am always resizing and cropping for different platforms. And if you have ever struggled with your image not fitting right or cutting off the wrong part, this will save your time. Here is how it works. Step 1. Go to adobe.com/express and log in. Start a new project and upload your photo. Then select crop image from the editing options. You can use preset aspect ratios for platforms like Instagram, Facebook or YouTube, or simply drag the crop box to highlight the area you want to keep. For profile photos, you can even choose shape crop and make it a perfect circle, great for social media icons and professional headshots. Pro tip, need an exact size? Just enter your preferred width and height in pixels, like 1920 by 1080 to get the perfect fit. For example, if you have a group photo but want to feature yourself for a profile picture, just crop, adjust and download, done. Or if you are creating a YouTube thumbnail, crop it to 1280 by 720, add bold text and you are ready to post. Once you are happy with the result, click download and your cropped image is ready to share anywhere. So if you have been searching for online crop image or photo crop size, Adobe Express gives you an effortless way to get the perfect frame every time. Try it out, link is in the description. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more creative tips with Adobe Express.